A dry powder inhaler, DPI, Diskus. Let's review the key parts of your Diskus. Dose counter, cover, thumb hold to open the inhaler, mouthpiece, lever to load the medication. How to take your Diskus inhaler. It's best to start sitting up or standing. When you are ready, hold the inhaler with both hands, like a hamburger. Use your thumb to slide the cover open until you hear a click. Now slide the lever down in the same direction until you hear another click. Your inhaler is now ready. Turn your head to the side and breathe all the air out of your lungs. Do not breathe out into the mouthpiece. You will lose some of the medication. As soon as you breathe out, close your lips around the mouthpiece. Take a quick, deep breath in. After the deep breath, you can remove the inhaler. Hold your breath as long as you can, up to 10 seconds. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Slide the cover closed after each use. If directions say to give a second dose, wait 1 minute before repeating the steps. Waiting helps the medication work better. Now, let's put it all together. Hold the inhaler with both hands, like a hamburger. Open the cover and pull the lever to prepare the inhaler. Breathe out away from the mouthpiece. Close your lips around the mouthpiece. Quick, deep breath in. Hold your breath after the dose. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Close the cover. When using your controller inhaler, rinse and spit, or brush your teeth after each use to prevent infection. Use the dose counter to keep track of the medicine. Be sure to contact the pharmacy for a refill when the counter starts to get low.